Cooking isn't just about food, it's about the feeling you create. Every spice you add, every step you take builds something special. Take your time, let the flavors come together. Don't rush the process because the best meals aren't made in a hurry, they are made with care. And in the end, it's not just biryani, it's something you will be cook with love of, eat with joy. Let's start with the base. Thinly sliced onions going into hot oil. Listen to that sizzling. This is where the flavor begins. We are cooking for that perfect golden color crispy onion, not burnt. Take your time here. This step builds the soul of that biryani. So take your time here. This step builds the soul of that biryani. Now onto the chicken. This is where things get exciting. We are adding spices that bring everything to life. Chicken spices, all pepper spices, my salt, minced herb spices for chicken, lemon juice, fresh yogurt and liquid cream, lemon, salt, vinegar. We are mixing all them together to make it feel relaxed. Make sure every piece is well coated, no shortcut here. This is what gives the biryani its rich, deep taste. So we are mixing all them together. Fresh yogurt, liquid cream, ginger, garlic, onion powder will be next. So as we are mixing, let me sing my favorite song with you. Oh, I hear thy welcome voice that calls me, Lord, to thee. For cleanse me, thee, thy precious blood that flow on Calvary. Oh, I hear thy welcome voice that calls me, Lord, to thee. Making the sauce now. Now let's bring it all together. The aroma is already amazing and we are just getting started. This is my liquid butter. Then I added turmeric and curry powder mixed with onion. Now we are stirring fry to get a brownie color. This is the onion we use to garnish the top of the biryani. This I soak with lemon juice. You can see salt, vinegar. This is my crispy onion we use to garnish the top of our biryani. Okay, so we are starting our sauce right now. I'm adding my tomato puree. Yeah, let's stir fry it. Oh, yeah, mia koto jenina bekotu. This is my chopped tomatoes. Let's add it. As the sauce is cooking, the flavor will start to blend beautifully. This is where the magic really happens. Slow rage and full of flavor. My chopped garlic to make the food smell good. Yeah. So now the chicken will go inside. As I'm adding the chicken, this is where the magic really happens. Slow, rich and full of flavor. At the end we are going to get an amazing doings. Yeah, so I'm adding my bell pepper, my chili pepper. You can see, trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next. So keep watching, do not skip. Please do not skip the ads for me. Like and share this amazing doings. I love you all. God bless you. I'm adding biryani spices. Yeah. This is all pepper spices. This is, I have 3 different biryani homemade spices. Ginger powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm adding them to get an amazing flavor. So it's time for the seasoning. This smell unreal. Color is everything. That's exactly what we want. Perfect texture right there. Now we are talking. You see the color of the sauce. Oh my gosh. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound. He works in ten mighty. Be there in our doings. Hey, come closer. This is my agreement. This is coriander leaves. This is lemon juice. Here's my potatoes. It's not by force, yeah. If you feel like adding, you can add, yeah. This is vinegar. Rice I soak with lemon juice. You can see salt, vinegar. So let's cook the rice. I'm adding my hot water. I'm adding my olive oil. This is the herbs we are going to add to our biryani rice. So our rice is done. Our sauce is also done. You can see from your eyes, it looks so attractive. Yeah, so now the sauce is down. We will put the rice on top. Yeah, now it's time to layer the rice. Fluffy, fragrant, basmati rice on top of our rich chicken and sauce. Yeah, so we are laying our rice on top of our sauce now. We will sprinkle some corn on top. So we are in the middle layer right now. Yeah, we are putting corn on top. We also add rice. Yeah, this is our green mint and coriander leaves. We sprinkle some fried onions, fresh cilantro, and those golden corn kernels for our color and crunch. Gentle press it down, don't mix. We want each layer to hold its flavor. This is where all the effort comes together. Every spice, every aroma, every golden onion. Cover it up and let it steam. Patience now will give us perfection. This is charcoal. I want the food biryani to smell smoky. So this is the charcoal we are burning. This is my oil. I'll put the charcoal inside. You watch it. And here it is, our perfectly cooked chicken biryani. Rich, colorful, and aromatic. Just look at those juicy chicken pieces and crispy onion and the vibrant corn. Pure bliss. This is comfort on a plate, made with love from scratch. Time to serve, dig in and enjoy, because good food deserves to be shared. Don't forget, the magic is in the layers, the patience, and the flavor. You just made biryani that's better than most restaurants. And it is all yours, so golden, juicy, and full of flavor. Every bite is worth the wait. Homemade hits different. Try this and watch everyone ask for seconds. It's very simple to prepare. Try some. You can see this is very, very simple. Yeah, try some in the house and you come back and watch my doings again. I love you all. Thank you for watching my doings. God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to get more simple recipe. And I love you. Thank you so much. Wanana. Ingwashafo kotono ingwadamuwon Eraza awawasem Eraza eninyamhina Yechashina na